Two baddies. Two baddies. I know I'm ugly because y'all rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my...
She's a thot, she's a freak, she's a hoe, she's a hoe. I'm a bitch, I her back, that's for sure.
Started suck my dick in the bathroom. Whoa, then she pop Zanny in the bathroom. That's what them rats do. I'm moving.
It's okay. You just
a lot of females about to be in this backpack by the end of this video, I swear. But yeah though, bro, just make sure y'all drop a like, go follow me on Instagram, also go add me on Snapchat. But I don't like to do a lot of talking, but I just like to get straight into it, bro. But yeah, mainly what I'm gonna be doing, but I'm gonna be looking for a girlfriend on Monkey. You know, like I said, I'm living that single, that lonely life. It's a sad life, bro, because you have nobody to talk to. Do you wanna be my girlfriend? I don't know, but it's just gonna come up as it come, bro. But yeah, just make sure y'all drop a like, and I'm just gonna get straight into it, bro. Make sure you go down in the description and download Monkey, you know what I'm saying? If you wanna see me on here and you wanna meet me and talk to me, bro, whenever I'm on, bro, just go down in the description and click the download link to Monkey, bro. Just download it, bro. It's a very fun app, especially if you're a lonely person like me, bro. Hey, yo. Man, why am I gonna rate me 1 to 10, bro? I'm tripping.
That's true.
Why am I gonna rate? What? You know what I mean? Question. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
You ugly.
I mean, I know that, obviously.
Is it too
I'm gonna say rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. When you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10, if she give me a good rate, then we gonna slowly progress into being a couple. Amen. 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 But don't wait for the time to run out, bro. Dang, that's that hurt, bro. What's up? Hey, yo. Oh. Hey, yo. Yo, get off. Get off. That's a man. What's he talking about, cuz? At time.
No, I'm shocking.
Dang, what?
hit on the first night, meet and greet.
Oh my gosh, this ceiling, boy. What is this, the ceiling or is this the cover? I know I'm ugly, but just rate me. Gave me a 10, boy.
Hit on the first night, meet and greet.
At time. Dang. It's not that hard, bro. Ayo. I got a question for you then. You is too. Oh my gosh, bro. Ooh, boy, she was. Ooh, boy. But she was something scrumptious, boy. Ooh, you so fine. You so fine. Look, I got a question. Why you can't show your face, bro? I know that girl finna message me. I hope I forgot her name. Was that her? I don't.
Like your hair.
Thank you. I like y'all hair too. It's beautiful. Like, I could be this ugly, bro. Showing my face. And y'all don't want to show y'all face, bro. Ew, that's so nasty. Hey, yo, I got a question.
Yeah.
Get off my screen. Go. I got a question. At time. Who you in the room with?
Nobody.
Oh, I thought I heard somebody. Look, I know I'm ugly, but rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
That's what you rate me?
You would have to.
Hit on the first night, meet and greet.
Where you from? You from like Bahamas or Jamaica or something?
I watch your YouTube videos.
Bro, I love you. You can't sing. Hey, I got a question. Damn, why she look so mad now? Can the ceiling talk? Who that is to the left? Who that is? That's a boy?
My brother.
Man, I'll slap that nigga. Stop. Give it up.
Bro, I like you on YouTube all the time.
I said I know I'm ugly, but could you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah. 9.5.
Alright, what you say? Get off. Two baddies. Two baddies. I know I'm ugly, but could y'all rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my
She's a thot, she's a freak, she's a hoe, she's a hoe. I'm a beat, I her back, that's for sure.
It was something going on with her facial features that God couldn't explain. Just rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Hit on the first night, meet and greet,
Hey boy, I bounced back from an L like it's nothing. Will I get a meal and put on for the team? Will I see 18 and get to live out my dream? I'm starting to think I think too much. Hey mama, she said I don't think enough.
2 hours later.
I got a question. Hey man, you already. Thank you. I like yours too. I know I'm ugly, but can y'all rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? Be honest.
Hit on the first night, meet and greet,
What? Hey, at time. Oh, okay. That's what I thought. You know what I'm saying? Girl, you better pipe down. Hey, yo. I know I'm ugly, but can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 for real? Shoot, that's crazy, bro.
Hit on the first night, meet and greet,
Yeah. Dang, can I talk? Shut up. I was about to say, why you looking away from me if you... Yo, she's fun, bro. Like I said, bro, go down in the description. Download Monkey. But yeah, make sure I drop a like, good feedback, you know what I'm saying? I will be doing more of these, bro. I was looking for a girlfriend, but I couldn't find one, so I'ma just stay single, you know what I'm saying? But just make sure I drop a like, go follow my Instagram, go add me on Snapchat, comment something down below, you know what I'm saying? Like the video, go in the description, check the description. Hey, SoundCloud, all of that on the hit on the first night meet and greet, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? That's who it was, but so y'all go show that man some love because his songs, like, most of his songs is really loud, but like y'all wanna...
Hope there's nacho, like, you don't wanna do that swag though. Hey, you don't want that swag, hey, you don't wanna get that, you don't wanna get that bag though. Hey, you don't wanna got that swag though. Hey, you don't wanna get that swag though. Hey, that swag, stupid girl, you know I get on that.
Jordan broke my heart. He answered my text and he said that.
Now look at this, bro. Hold on, stop trying to look at my wallpaper. What y'all trying to look at my wallpaper for, bro? Dang, bro. You know what I'm saying? Alright, bro, but look. See that, bro? See that? See that? See that? See what this is, bro, right? Alright, look.
I did.
Like, is it true that you don't like Jordan?
Hey, just look at the cloud, bro.
What?
You don't even gotta ask me there. Say not true.
Is it true that you don't like Jordan?
I do like Jordan.
Hit on the first night, meet and greet,
Shoot. Say no.
Hey. What? Yes, bro. What's up? Hey, y'all go there, bro, and tell her what she trying to do, bro. This thing, bro, like this camera, bro, it does not work well with phones, bro. I tell you that, bro. Like this, look at it, bro. Oh my gosh, my God. But hey, bro, y'all go in there, bro. Y'all be like, hey, y'all slide down there, be like, comment on it. Like this. Alright, bro, come on, bro. See that? See what I was about to comment? Hey, everybody go to that video right now and comment that. Just spam her comments with that. When I go back and check on that video, that's all I want to see. Just straight that. All of that. Just that. Just strictly that, bro. That's all what I better see, bro. And y'all better like each other comments and support each other, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, like, I'm real life not playing with y'all right now. Like, when I tell y'all, but like, I'm being so honest right now. Like, this is something that's interesting. This is like an interesting part of the vlog. Y'all know how DDG do all that relationship type stuff. Hey, it'll get to that point. You know what I'm saying? It'll get to that point. You know what I'm saying? We end up meeting up with some. Start a couple, nah, a couple saying I'm tripping. Shut up, doing that. Hey, you tripping, boy. But look, this is what I'm saying right here. Alright, y'all see how I just put this? This is exactly what I want to see. Everybody that made it to the end of this video, go to her video. You know what I'm saying? She, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm talking about. I was trying to spit something out real quick, but just go to her video and comment this, cause she said, hey, she was throwing something. Hey, go and comment this, bro. I'm not You know what I'm saying? Bro, I'm trying to spit something out. I just don't know what to say. Just go and comment this, bro. I really mess with y'all. And like I said, bro, support each other, bro. Go, whoever else y'all see comment this, don't just scroll in the comments. Whoever else comment this, like it. And we, bro, everybody should have, it should at least be 10 likes on everybody comment. Everybody should be up there with each other. Just 10 likes, 10 likes, 10 likes. Lil Jordan, 10 likes, 10 likes. Everybody just, like, everybody should be top comment, bro. Just go. I'm sending my goons out, alright? I'm sending my goons out. So go and do that right now. I'm sending y'all a lot, bro. Alright?
Ooh, I'm tryna be. I heard back. She's a thot. She's a freak. She's a hoe. She's a hoe.